Now we're going to learn how to change our hopping feet. Your machine comes with two hopping feet, a ruler foot, which comes installed already on your machine, and an open toe foot. You use the ruler foot for everyday quilting and ruler work, and the open toe foot when you need greater stitch visibility, such as when you're using micro quilting on a quilt. To remove one of the feet, you take the 2.5 millimeter hex wrench, and in the very front you will find a screw. You place the long end of the hex wrench on the screw and turn counterclockwise, and you will see that in turning, the foot will come off on its own. Now it's important that you don't take the entire screw off. That's unnecessary. Now if you do have fabric on the bottom part, all you have to do is, with the hex tool in the screw, simply lift up the foot, and it gives you the room necessary to remove the hopping foot. Now let's install our open toe foot. You can lift up the little bar, place that in there. I simply turn the 2.5 hex tool until the screw comes to the other side, and it's ready to go.